So now we want to play the calendar math game. Calendar, it has to do with calendar. So I will be the one asking you questions, but when you don't get it right, then I will explain to you. Okay? So what is today? I'm not saying today's date. Which day is today?
Which day?
Yeah.
Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Friday.
Good. What day was it yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday.
What day will it be tomorrow?
Monday.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today is Friday. What day will it be tomorrow?
Monday. Saturday. Oh. I hear about this school. I don't go on.
I did not ask you what is the next school day. If I had said what is the next school day, then Monday would have been correct. But I said what is the next day. So what is today's date?
Today's date is 19.
Okay, today's date is 16. It's 17. So
17.
I will so that you can know. You will be needing the calendar. Today is 17. So you can do your calculation very well. So if today's date is 17, right? And today is Friday, is that correct? Today is 17, right?
I don't think so because today.
Oh, sorry, today is 16.
I've gone to school.
Today is 16. That was a mistake. I said
gone to school.
today is 16. Today is Friday. Today is 16. Sit right. So if today is 16, right? And today is Friday. Are you with me?
Yes.
What is the date for next week Friday? For next Friday. If today is 16 and today is Friday, what is the date for next Friday?
23.
Correct. You don't even have to check. How did you get it?
I did.
Did you check?
It's a check.
Did you check the calendar?
Yes.
Okay, I thought you just calculated it. What was the first Monday of this month?
First Monday.
You have the calendar with you. What was the first Monday? What was the first Monday?
5.
The first Monday, 5, correct. Which day was the first of this month?
1.
Which day was it?
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay, correct. How many Tuesdays are in this month?
Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. 4.
4, correct. If today is 12, what date will it be in 5 days time?
Today is not 12. 16.
If today is 12, what day will it be in 5 days?
Saturday.
I meant what date? If today is 12.
17.
Good. What was the date 7 days ago? Today is 16, right?
Yes.
So what was the date 7 days ago?
7.
Really? Is that how to calculate
10?
7 days? How do you count it? How did you count it?
6.
Calm down. How did you count it is the question.
Like this.
Okay, count.
How many?
7 days.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So from 12 you jump to 5.
7.
From 12, are you supposed to jump to 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 9.
Good. That is what I wanted to correct. How many weekend days are left in this month? Which days are the weekend? No, I said weekend. Which days are the weekend? Which days are referred to as weekend?
Don't know. Because my teacher didn't tell me when it's week.
So when is weekend?
Saturday,
Sunday. Okay, good. So now, how many weekend days are left in this month? Weekend. I did not say how many days are left in this month. I said how many weekend days.
I don't know if it's Sunday with weekends.
I asked. Okay, the first thing is this is the first thing. Which days are the weekends? You said Saturday and Sunday. So when I now said how many weekend days are left in this
Like
month?
how many are here?
How many Saturdays and Sundays do we have left in this month? That's what it means.
5 Saturdays and 4 Sundays.
Calm down. What is today's date?
And today's date 16.
So how many weekend days are left? Are left means the ones that we've not used. So wait. When you're being asked a question, you listen, you process it, you understand it before you start solving. You don't jump. When I said how many weekend days, you first listen and make sure you understand the question before you start solving. You don't just jump and start solving. The first time when I said how many weekend days are left in this month, you started counting the remaining days. But I said weekend days. Then again, you started counting all the weekend in this month. I did not say all the weekends. So I said how many weekend days are left? That is the ones that we have not used. So whenever you are being asked a question, first listen to the question, say it again and again, understand it before you start solving. Okay? So do you understand it now? Good. So I'll ask you. There are 5 days, 5 weekend days. Good. Which days appears 5 times?
Which days?
Appears 5 times in this month. Which days? You know we have Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Friday. Will you stop playing?
Yes.
We have Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. So which of those days appears 5 times in this month? Which of them appears 5 times in this month?
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Correct.
Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cannot even count. We can just see if they are the same, and we just count one. And we already know that.
That was why I told you that whenever you want to answer a question, you first try and listen. You listen first. You don't jump. You listen, understand the question before you start answering the question at all. Okay?
Okay.
If you don't understand, then you ask questions. I don't understand this question. Then it will be explained. Is that all right?
Yes.
And you should stop getting distracted when you are solving questions.